Good day, traders. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am introducing a new strategy called psychological levels. So psychological levels are known as psychological levels, which are the method used in the forex stocks that focus in on the rounded numbers price levels. So they often act as a support or resistance due to human psychology. So those coordinates of psychological levels are marked by let me say rounded numbers, which they have three parts, which are major levels, middle levels, and minor levels. So why do psychological levels work? Traders bias. People prefer round numbers. Order clustering. Institution and retail traders place orders at those levels. Emotional reactions. When price approaches those points, it triggers fear, greedy, and or FOMO. Self-fulfilling. Many people believe they work, so they do. So I also believe that they work because I have knowledge about them. So here I have a good example of psychological level. Just wanna display it perfectly. Okay. So psychological levels, they work along with Fibonacci tool. Which Fibonacci tool is powerful when combined with psychological level and SMC because it helps to identify key retracement zones. So when price is likely to reverse or continue, especially around those numbers, which are rounded coordinates numbers, which they give you a zone, might be a supply or demand. That's where you're gonna get your entry. So you look for you look for price to pull back on a Fibonacci level, which are 61.8 or 50%, especially if it's near a psychological level, which that will give you a perfect entry point. So power combo setup. First, you mark psychological level. Number two, you use Fibonacci retracement from recent swing. Number three, wait for the price to reach Fibonacci level or psychological level. Step four, you confirm you confirm with SMC concept. Might be break of structure, order block, the value gap combined with or imbalance. Step number five, enter and target the next psychological level of Fibonacci extension. So from here, we'll be ending the introduction about psychological level strategy. So I hope you like this video and like and subscribe and turn on that notification so you will be notified for my future uploads.
So yeah guys, here back we are at it again. So here I'm going to show you in the original chart how to plot your psychological levels. So first what you have to do, you have to identify your previous highest high and highest low. So let me take this one for instance. Double click. So from this coordinates I have here, I'm going to round up. Let me just do this fast. 800. There we go. So from there I'm going to do identify my lowest low. So let me take this one since it was the previous one. Double click, round off 50. So since while I'm here, I'm going to take my Fibonacci. So I'm going to take my Fibonacci here, plot it here until to that level. So what I have now, I have my 50% Fibonacci level, which is going to act as as my middle zone. So from there to that double click, round it off So from here we can remove what? We can remove our Fibonacci and focus more on the psychological levels we have. So from here, let me try plot a zone. So I hope you guys know that when plotting a zone, you only cover what? The weeks. So after covering the weeks, you take what? Zone, and you make sure that your horizontal line is in the middle of the zone, like this. So from here I'm going to copy my zone, copy, paste it here, copy even this one, paste there. So those are what? My psychological levels. So, and I can even see that they are even strong. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to identify my overall market trend, which will start from there until there. So right now I'm identifying what? My overall market trend, where market is heading to. So from here I can see that we had our first touch, second touch, and third touch, which tells me that market is what? Is moving to the what? To the upward. So from here we are expecting what? More buyers. But right now we did what? Did test our psychological level. Might come here from here and go there, break this level, break the overall trend market we have there, then retest this psychological level again, then continue. So let me just start again. Start from this psychological level, retest here, go above the psychological level there, come back, retest, continue. So that's how this thing works. That's how you apply it. First you do what? First you identify your psychological levels with the horizontal line. Second, you do what? You round the coordinates off. Then third, when we have two psychological levels, you plot your Fibonacci, then a 50% act as a middle zone. So after that you plot your zones, then after that you have it. So I hope you guys will like this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification so you will be up